Hello guys and welcome back to this video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the footer section of the website. Now what is a footer? Now let me real quick open the file. Okay, and here we go. This is our website. Last time we have made the website till here. Now the footer section. If you suppose now if I want to go to a website, for example, we can say news dot okay, for example, infinityfree.net. okay, and you scroll down really below, you can see this white section over here written, written all rights reserved, copyrights and all, infinity free company and all. This is why generally if you go to freenom.com, then you may observe that they also have white, but most of the people have kept in black. So we're gonna make the footer section. What basically is the footer? You just write get in touch. Like if you have copyrights, if you have got the copyrights, then you have to write the copyrights, that copyrights 2020, all rights reserved, like that in the footer section. So let's start making it, guys. Actually I have switched to Sublime Text Editor and it doesn't matter. Actually I use sometimes VS Code and sometimes Sublime. Now let's start making it. I'm going to make the footer. Inside the footer, I'm right now going to leave it blank and go to style.css and scroll down. Once we go here, we're gonna make footer, and then we're gonna make the height as 50 pixel, and we need to reload just a minute, and the color should be black. Let's now refresh this page. Okay, so, and we need to write some of the text. Suppose I write the h2 tag, h3 tag, hi, for testing instance. So actually it didn't happen. Let me check. Why didn't it happen? The spelling is right. Okay, 50 pixel is too small. We're gonna write VH and then let's try again. Okay, it's going over here. The color isn't black. I don't know why the color. Okay, the background color, background color should be black. Now it will happen. See, but the whole section is coming here, right here. So to avoid that, what we need to do is to go in our product section, just products. We need to style just product dot products colon after. This means after, and then we need to do content, and then like that, what we say, clear both, and then display block. This will solve our problem. See, it's looking cool, but 50 VH height is a lot more. We'll do it 20 VH. We don't need much things to be in our, okay, that's cool. And now why isn't the text visible? We are going to style it directly from here by putting the style tag. Color is white. Now let's reload it. Okay, now they're saying that they want to purchase the premium version. No, so now instead of writing hi, we're going to write copyrights 20 copyrights. And if you know how to write the copyright symbol, Then okay, so first of all hold alt and then the left numbers in your left right side of the keyboard. There will be more 1 to 9 numbers arranged in a square manner, so press 0 1 6 9 and your copyright symbol will be typed 2020. And suppose our website's name is what is our website's name? iEducate.cf. Later on we are going to host this. Later on we are going to host the website. So okay, and we're going to just duplicate this. Okay, tab D, I don't know why. iEducate.cf. I don't know why it's doing like that. So we are going to copy paste this. VS Code is a really good IDE. I don't say that it's a bad one. And then here we're going to do, okay, where is it gone? Control Z. Okay, we're gonna do from here to here, all rights reserved. That's it. We'll just reload it. See, this is our footer, guys. Thanks for watching, and our home page is ready. From the next video we're going to start designing our blog page. Currently it is blank, and if we try to do it, nothing happens. See, it's file not found because it got into the blog. I think that we haven't did anything, so this is not, we're not going to do this, right? Let's save this. Now if I click on blog, then nothing will happen. Okay, next time we'll design the blog page of our website. Thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe our channel so that you never miss our videos. And don't forget to like, share, and press the bell icon so that you never miss so you get the first notifications of our website. Thanks for watching, and that's it for this video. And please access the previous playlist if you haven't.